Hello, I'm Mark Dombrowski with True Resolve Tax Professionals. I'm an enrolled agent and I specialize in helping businesses and individuals with their federal and state tax liabilities. A lot of clients ask me, how do I set up an installment agreement to resolve my case with the IRS? Well, number one, you need an IRS online account. Both you and your spouse, your kids, your mother, your grandmother, everybody needs. I've got an IRS online account. It's a great, powerful tool that you see into the IRS database of previous returns that you filed. Now, those aren't images. Those are what are called a PC version, line by line of those documents. You can see what income was declared against your Social Security number. You can see what you owe, why you owe, tax and penalty and interest accruals, all that stuff. So the online account is the best thing to do. When you use that portal to set up an installment agreement and you have it direct debited out of a bank account, which is the best thing. You want this out of your head. You don't want to have to deal with mailing a check in every month or having to go in log in every month. Have it direct debited out of your bank account. The IRS charges you a one-time fee of $31 to set up a direct debit installment agreement. So there's that method, which is the most preferred way. Then also, you can file a form 433-D. That's 433-D, as in David. And that form you would fill in and mail it to where you would normally file an IRS income tax return. Now, nobody files their returns nowadays right away, right? It's all e-filed. But you'd go to irs.gov, just like when you want to set up that online account. You go to irs.gov and you're going to look on that landing page. And you will, when it comes to where to file a paper 433-D, you're going to look at where to file my return. And you're going to look at what state you live in. And take that address and that's the address that you're going to use for filing the 433-D. Now, the 433-D will say, identify you and potentially your spouse, how much you owe, what periods, and how you want to pay it, how much per month, and what day of the month. That form can also be used. You can fill in the banking information and have it direct deposited or direct withdrawn out of your bank account, same way as you do it online. This is a little higher of a fee if you're doing it direct deposit, or $125 they're charging you a one-time fee. So again, that 433-D can be used just to ask for an installment agreement. If you are going to be putting your banking information on it, there's just a little caveat. Halfway through there, there's a little, halfway through the form, there's a little box that says initial here. You must initial there, and down at the bottom you must sign it. And if the liabilities are joint liabilities, you're going to have you and your spouse sign that return. So, you need any help with this? We are at area code 720-319-8954. Again, TrueResolveTaxProfessionals.com. 720-319-8954. Operators are standing by right now.